Xiaomi Redmi 9T shows up in leaked unboxing video ahead of launch, specs detailed by Tipster. The Redmi 9T is said to be the rebrand version of the Redmi 9 Power, which recently launched in India. Xiaomi seems to be going aggressive with its T lineup of smartphones in India and on global level. Recently it launched the Xiaomi Mi 10T, and now it's set to launch the Redmi 9T soon. This would also be the newest member to join the Redmi 9 family. It's worth added that according to a tipster, the Redmi 9T is supposed to launch in Malaysia in the first week of this month. However, another tipster has confirmed on Twitter that it will be arriving on January 8. According to the reports, the Redmi 9T is said to be the rebrand version of the Redmi 9 Power, which recently launched in India. What's more is that the Redmi 9 Power is indeed said to be the rebadged Redmi Note 9 4G, which launched in China before. It's worth mentioning that the rumored Redmi 9T has also appeared in an unboxing video on YouTube, which has now been pulled. The video shows the smartphone in black and a rear rectangle enclosure including the cameras via GSM Arena. Featuring the model number M2010J19SG, the device appears like Redmi 9 Power. If this actually is the case, then the Redmi 9T is supposed to come with a Snapdragon 662 processor with Adreno 610 GPU, 6.53-inch FHD Plus LCD screen, 6000 mAh battery with support for 18W fast charging and a total of 5 cameras comprising of an 8-megapixel front-facing camera, 48-megapixel primary rear camera, along with an 8-megapixel ultra-wide, 2-megapixel depth, and 2-megapixel macro sensors. Some connectivity feature included might be dual 4G VoLTE, 3.5mm headphone jack, Bluetooth 5.0, IR blaster, and a USB Type-C port. For the latest tech news and reviews, subscribe to our Techdustry YouTube channel.